This week here at CarCareKiosk, we've been working on a Mitsubishi Outlander, and we thought we'd give you a preview of a few of the repairs on this vehicle. First up, let's take a look at how to change the cabin air filter. Open the glove box to begin. Disengage the left side dampening arm. Squeeze the sides of the glove box together. You may need to disengage the tabs on the back of the glove box. Then lower the glove box. Reach up for the cabin air filter access cover. Press on the tab and remove the cover. You can remove your air filter now. Next, we're going to show you where the oil drain plug and oil filter are for your oil change. Crawl under the vehicle. You'll have to remove this panel. There are 12 rivets to remove first. Then remove 4 10mm bolts. Hold the panel up as you remove them. Then pull the panel down. Reach up here for your oil drain plug. Use a 14mm socket on this bolt. Then reach up here for your oil filter. And finally, if you've changed your oil, we'll show you how to reset the oil life monitor.
To reset the oil, you're going to push the little arrow button until you get to the settings, which is right there. Push in on the dial. We're going to go down here to maintenance and then oil control system. And then if you need to reset this, you're going to push and hold the OK button, which is basically the dial on the steering wheel.
We've also recently shown you how to take off the bumper as well as a few of the bulb housings on this vehicle. If you like this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel. And if you want more car repair videos and more in-depth car repair videos, please visit CarCareKiosk.com.